Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add promotion in LinkedIn profile. So for this you have to go first on your LinkedIn profile, then you have to go for your profile here or here. So I'll go for my profile, and when you are in this page you have to scroll down and go for experience here and click on this plus icon. Okay, now go for add position. Now you have to turn it on and type here your promotion title. So I'll type here content creator. Okay, so here it is. After that you have to select employment type. My type is full-time, and your company name. So I'll type YouTube here. Here it is. Now scroll down and you have to add your location. So mine is Changomachi. This one is mine. Now you have to select your location type. Mine is hybrid. For that you can check it or not. Then you have to select your month, joining month. So okay, April, and this year. Okay, you can skip this one. Then after that you have to type your industry here. Okay, I'll type here education. Okay, now you can add your description here. So I'll just type my description randomly. Okay, so I make videos for students. So okay, now so I'll not change it. This is my default profile headline. You can add your skills by manually from here, or this is suggested for me, so I'll choose this one. Okay, you can add any of you can add five skills. After that you can add your media, add your link or your company or anything. You can add your media, photos or videos, anything you want. After that you just go for save. Okay, then go for next. Yeah, so I'll not post it to my profile, so just cut it. Discord. Okay, cross it. So you can see here it is. So guys, this is how you can add promotion in LinkedIn profile. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.